So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to start this video as quick as possible. I got the ITEL Powerpulse 20000mAh. This is it right here, ITEL Powerpulse 20000mAh. Pardon me that I am not speaking close to the camera itself, that I'm just bending on because I haven't actually connected my mic together. This is it. I've also done the unboxing, so I'm just going to tell you some specs of it. Oops. It reads here as it says ITEL Powerpulse 20000mAh. So it is, the model is A1160. The watt hour is 74 watts. I don't know how manageable or if it's possible for it to I accept PD, that's power delivery, but I'll try that as well during my test and procedures. The input capacity is Type C. It has an input of Type C 5V 2A, output Type C AI 5V 2.4E. When I got this as well, I saw something that wrote AI. I don't know what it means there. Whether this serves as a kind of fast charging technology, I don't know, but I'm going to test that as well. This is the second output, Type C AI 5V 2.4E. This one again is output USB A1. That's the first one here, I think. So one of these two here. So that one is Type C 5V 2.4E. So the last one is USB A2. That's another AI as well, 5V 2.4E. So I think all of them, they have the capacity of doing fast charging, but I don't actually know if they are really best. The design is similar to this, the Philly. I just recently, this last power bank unboxing I did. This is just the difference between how they are. The power bank percentage shows in these places. These are there. I don't know how to make it kind of a long video, but I'm going to do something like in-depth test how it works. I got it today from JUMIA. It gave me 71%, but during my testing with the torchlight, as I did in the unboxing video, it does give me 70. Like 1% was taken off. I don't know how it's going to last with long charging devices. Like you see, you have this is the Lenovo Tab S8. It's very big. I don't know if you can see it. This one now has like a 4000mAh battery. If this is possible for you to charge it fully, it's also going to be very efficient as well, because I don't have any problem with this one. This one lasts very long as well. I just charged it full now and I've charged two phones. It's still going. It hasn't really actually gone away from 90 or 100%. So it's good. I really want to commend ITEL for this, their power, but they likely do power banks nowadays that does with flashlights, but I don't actually need that because I already have lots of power banks that have flashlights. Like the solar one I recently uploaded. You can watch the video right here. Also, if you want to check the video of this one, you can watch it right here as well. So there's not much for me to say. If it's PD or power delivery you're looking for, I think it should be something like that. What it actually says here on the board, it says 12 watts fast charging Type C in and out, and more under the back here it's rated as 74 watts. I don't know, but that is also kind of for iPhone XS and 4 charges for Samsung Galaxy S10. I forgot to even apply that too. It came with a, I think it came with a Type C cable as well. I'm using the cable to charge one of my devices presently, but I'm going to show you that later. So that's just it for that, for the ITEL Powerpulse 20000mAh 12 watts, but it says here 74 watts. So what do you know? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to sign out from here. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Also guys, I wanted to add something to this unboxing. For those that are actually looking for a good battery or good charger to charge your power bank and to make it boost efficiently, this is the kind of charger you're going to need. This is the POWERBANK 120 watts, and this is the S-Shade Plus 120 watts. You all do 120 watts and up to 20 volts. So basically this can also power your laptop and your power bank as well. It's very strong and it's heavy. It feels heavier, almost like the size of a power bank itself. So you need to make use of this to charge or boost your power banks itself. And I'll efficiently tell you that once you couple it with this, your ITEL Powerpulse, it's going to just give it like a kind of boost in for maybe if it's completely depleted to 100 within 4 or 5 hours. I bet you that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think I want to do or more videos I should do. The Philly 20000mAh and the ACE ELEC 20,000 mAh again and the Philip 10,000 mAh. I don't know what is the essence of buying it, because some of them are fake, so I won't do it. Just the new one. I just wanted to check this new ITEL and see how far it goes. I'm behind 20,000 mAh. I needed to. This is the best option I can get now for now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you are new here, make sure you comment what you think. Stay tuned for the next video.